everyone, and welcome to Monday's Challenge Assembly. I hope that you had a really good week last week. I saw some amazing work by a lot of the children. I'm so very proud of you. Well done. Now, this week there's a few things I want to talk to you about. First off, we still have the challenge of our raising the spare change challenge, where you're raising money for the school defibrillator. We're doing an amazing job, aren't we? We're raising so much money. It's going to pay for the defibrillator. We're so proud. Well done. But we still have this week left until Friday for raising the money for the defibrillator. So still got all the rest of this week to bring in money by Friday, cut off, and the classes in early years Key Stage 1 and the class in Key Stage 2 who raises the most money gets an ice cream party. And we have a fantastic ice cream party treat in store for you. So keep bringing in that change, and well done to everyone who's already done that. Thank you very much. Now, today, what we want to talk about for this week, basically, is about hygiene. Do you remember what hygiene means? We've talked about it before. I want you to think a little bit. Just think. Let's think. What does hygiene mean? Now, I heard a lot of different answers for hygiene. I heard some children talking about that hygiene is making sure our hands are really washed very well. Yes, that's right. I heard some children say that hygiene was taking a bath or a shower to clean our bodies, particularly when we've been really sweaty or dirty. And that's right as well. I heard some children say that brushing your teeth is good hygiene. And you're correct as well. Hygiene has to do with keeping our bodies clean. Yes, so sometimes it's our teeth, sometimes it's our hair, we've got to wash our hair, or our body. Sometimes it's we have to wash our hands after we've gone to the toilet or after we've come inside and we've been playing, not to spread germs too badly. So there's a lot of things you can do for good hygiene. Now, when you are clean, when you have clean teeth and a clean body, you feel fresh and you're ready to work and you feel good about yourself. Good hygiene also means wearing clean clothes. So that means not wearing the same clothes you went to bed in, or not going to bed in the same clothes you went to school in. So making sure you have fresh underwear, and clean shirts and clean jumpers or trousers. Making sure we're keeping clean. It helps us for our mental health and well-being, but also physically as well. So this week, the challenge is to really focus on your hygiene. Particularly, I'm giving you one in particular to focus, brushing your teeth. I know this was a challenge the last time, but brushing our teeth is extremely important. And you should be doing that a couple of times a day, in the morning and in the evening. So, how many times are you going to brush your teeth? Make sure you do it every day. It helps to keep your teeth healthy, and you'll be able to keep them for much longer if you do that. All right, everyone. So we need to remember, bring our change in for our spare change drive for our defibrillator, and keeping clean, being hygienic, good hygiene, brushing your teeth. I want everyone to have a good week. Have a good one. Bye.